Hi, it's Brenda, and I just learned some exciting news I couldn't wait to share with you. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? So I don't know if you remember or not, but these were the first signs of the good news that they are turning the hotel rooms into apartments, and I could have the first one. Yay! Each day something new would appear in the breakfast area, and I would go and be snoopy and nosy and scope it out. And look, that's what the kitchen was supposed to look like. Let's see if it really does. Sort of. So here's the kitchen. Microwave is in, stove is in. They had to wire the apartment for 220 for the stove. So we were waiting on that inspection, and I guess that's done. That was inspected and passed. They also the county had to do its inspectioning stuff, whatever that is. And the insurance company had to come inspect since it's switching from a public hotel to private residences. So I guess there was a whole bunch of things that had to be done, such as a random jar of applesauce being placed in the fridge. Phew, good thing that's done. But today he told me that it will all be done and ready for me on Friday. Yay! Should. Let's emphasize should. He told me it should all be done and ready for me on Friday. Yay! There are still some things that need to be done. They're going to give it a thorough professional cleaning. They are going to shampoo the carpet. I wish they'd replace it. It's kind of old and ugly, but so long as it's clean, that's all I care about. He's going to come over and unlock their storage room for me and pick out whatever furniture I want for the apartment, which is kind of cool. They're going to replace that TV with a newer model from the flat screen. They'll have a TV in the living room and a TV in the bedroom. Kind of nice for someone who never watches TV. Be good for company. This bed I'm not real keen on, so they're going to take it away. It has those metal corners, and I know I'm going to gouge my ankles on those. Plus, it's like 3 inches off the floor, and you know who is going to be shacking everything up under there, and I'll never be able to reach it. So I really like the bed that's in the room I'm in now. It's very comfortable. So he said he'll take this one away, and I can just take the one from my room now to put in there. And that has the boards all along the bottom, so nothing can get kicked up underneath, which is nice with cats. They also have desks in a few of the rooms, so I'm going to see if I can get one of the desks put in here. This room is really huge without the 2 queen beds in it. And I think I can set up a whole little craft area in front of the window or near it where I can sit and do crafts and look out the window and just enjoy myself. Have a nice little time. And it can be in the bedroom, so that way if I have company, because, I have company so often, I can just close the living room door and go out and have my company in the living room and not have to worry about cleaning up my craft mess. But the room is huge. I think I'll have plenty of room in there for my bed, the dresser, and a craft area. Lots of room. And close the door on the mess and nobody will see it. I'm really surprised at how, when they first started doing the kitchen, it seemed like it was going to be cramped, but it isn't going to be. I'm kind of liking the whole open floor space. I think there'll be plenty of room for a sofa, a couple of chairs, table. It's kind of funny. In my mind, I'm already setting it up and decorating it and organizing and reorganizing the furniture. There are a bunch of little things that still need to be done. Just little, not much things, like under that kitchen cupboard in the corner, there's a gap. And with cats, that's not going to work. With me, I'm going to drop something and then go to pick it up and kick it up under there. They have to fix that. There's just a bunch of little random oddball things that need to be finished, which he said will be done by Friday, and I can move in Friday. Yay, that's exciting. So the 2 closets, 2 bathrooms. They're really clean. Both bathrooms. Oh, good. They changed the doorknobs to regular doors instead of those hotel key slot doors. I like that. That'll be a lot nicer. Look, there's the keys. That was a tiny little excited scream. So I just keep getting more and more excited. He'll walk down the outside hall to the other door. So this one I probably won't use, but it'll be like an emergency exit. And there'll be the second bathroom. Well, still has to be cleaned. I wonder if they're leaving the ironing board in the iron for me. That'd be kind of cool if they are. So yes, I will have a guest powder room along with my private powder room. I'll be all la-di-da and posh until it comes time to clean both of them. And then I'll probably be calling it names. So I'm picturing there's my craft area. Wonderful, organized, roomy, spread out type of craft area. And then the bedroom area. And then my living room area. And then the dirty floor area. And the kitchen. An oven, a stove, full refrigerator, a full freezer. How exciting is that? Guess what? I can have popsicles in the freezer. Can you believe that? And ice cream. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm looking forward to ice cubes because walking all the way down the other end of the building to get a glass of ice has gotten old. Thrilled about only one. Oh look, I have a ceiling light. Check it out. Not really thrilled about only one sink basin, but it has a sprayer. It's a super deep one. This is really high. This is really high. Oh my gosh, it's water. Look at all the outlets. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Then over here, there's another one. There are actually a ton of outlets in both rooms, which is going to be really nice. So, I'm all excited. I'm ready to start moving. Well, maybe after I take a nap. I really wasn't expecting to get this news this week. They kept saying, soon, soon, soon. You know, his famous soon. But this wasn't his fault. I will record the whole thing and take you along with me. However, the editing may take a while. Moving, cleaning the whole 9 yards is going to be tiring. But I will get it done as soon as I can and let you know what's happening. I'm super excited. About as excited as Addie is. You can see how she's just jumping for joy right now. She looks so relaxed, doesn't she? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all of your wonderful comments and amazing support. I just love you folks. Take care and toodles.